This is our current View Touch laser mouse. As you can see, there's a laser button on top, there's a right click button, and a left click button. There's also a switch on the side that needs to be pushed forward in order for the pen to function correctly with the View Touch. There's also a device right here that can slip right over the laser pen, which allows the laser to continuously stay on. But I'll explain more about that later. The last thing to note, in order to get the buttons to function with your computer, you will need to remove this USB device right here and plug it in. Allow your computer to install the proper drivers for it. That USB device allows, again, the right click and left click to be recognized by your computer. The laser pointer itself is completely independent, and as you can see, the mouse or cursor will follow the laser. You can highlight and select things. You can also put the device back on to keep the laser fully functional. As you can see, the mouse constantly wants to select something as if the left click is being pressed. What you'll want to do is go back to your View Touch settings, click on Options, and you're going to move it from normal to move only. Once you've changed it to move only, you'll want to minimize the View Touch program and go back to your desktop. Make sure not to close the View Touch program while you're using it. As you can see now, the mouse or cursor will not select anything as it follows the laser. Right now I am not using the device to keep the laser pointer held down. I'm manually choosing the laser pointer myself. Now, in order to select an icon, you'll want to put laser on top of the icon, and from there you can do a left click twice to open it, drag your mouse back up here to the X, left click again, or you can place your mouse over it and do a right click and then select one of the options, and in order to select it again you press left click. Let's close that, go back to the X. As you can see, merely choosing the laser itself does not select anything and only moves the cursor. If you were to keep this device on to have the laser continuously on, it would prove difficult to use your right click options as your hands would normally be shaky.